వేదికగా మీ భవితకే భరోసా దూరదర్శన్ వేదికగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ సహకారాలే ఉండగా హాయిగా మన చదువులు షురు అదే డిజిటల్ గురు అదే డిజిటల్ గురు
So welcome back dear students. Last class, that is in the third session, we saw one question and the solution. But due to the lapse of time, we were not able to concentrate on the second question. Just we saw the second question. What was that? That was on 1st October, we bought the machine. Hope you have gone through the question and it's on the screen also. Now we'll do the solution for this particular second question. In this, the focal point is what? Here, we bought the asset not on 1st April, but we bought it on 1st October 2017. So, during the financial year, that is 17 to 18, we are not putting the asset in use for 12 months. We are putting for less than 12 months. What is that? October, November, December, January, February and March. So here we'll calculate depreciation only for 6 months. That is when only in the year 2017 to 18. Afterwards, as it is, we'll calculate depreciation. So we'll solve the problem now. So here again solution. What is the name of the asset? We have bought one. So, in account, as it is machine account, and drawing the account. We'll follow the same principle. Don't get deviated from the principle. 3 years they told, so half page will be sufficient. Fold the page, keep the scale, and draw the vertical line. Looks into T shape called account. Now give the columns. Date column, particulars column, amount column. Again, date column, particulars column, amount column. So, debit, credit. Again, date, particulars, amount. Again, date, particulars, and amount. And the rest half page will be utilized for working, which plays very dominant. When we bought the asset, bought on 1st October. So 1st October 2017 to cash. You can write the total amount. For how much we bought the machine? 25,000. And how much we have spent for repair? 5,000. So total we can write 30,000. In brackets down if you want, you can write here 25,000 plus 5,000. 30,000. Come to working notes and write here depreciation. How much is depreciation? Depreciation at the rate of 10% equal to how much, sir? 30,000 into 10%, 10 by 100. If we cancel, we get 3,000 per annum. We get 3,000 per annum. But did we use asset for 12 months? No, we did not use asset for 12 months. We have used it only for 6 months. That is from October to March. So here we'll write the comment for our convenience. What is that? Here we'll write in 2017 to 2018, machine is used for how many months? For 6 months. So depreciation is how? You know, proportionate. So for 12 months, how much is depreciation? 3,000. We want for how many months? 6 months. So for 6 months, how much? Proportionate will calculate. Cross multiply. 6 to 3,000 divided by 12. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 15s are. So how much is the amount? 1500. Only for the year 2017 and 18 will charge 1500 as depreciation. Is it clear? Again, I am explaining. Since we are using for 6 months, we'll calculate depreciation for 6 months. How? Proportionate we call. For 12 months, 3000. That is per annum we calculated. So for 6 months, how much? So 1500. As usual, again, posting the account. That is depreciation. 31st March 2018 by depreciation. How much is depreciation? 1500 only in this year. Again come cost C 30,000. Depreciation D 1500. If we subtract, we get written down value 28,500. So close the account. By balance carried down. How much? 28,500. Close the account. Close the account. Close the account will be 30,000 on both the sides. 1 year completed. Come to second year. 1st April 2018. Don't get confused with October. Here we have balanced on March. So it will start in April. To balance brought down. How much? 28,500. Again, 31st March 2019. I'll charge depreciation. I'll charge depreciation. How much I am supposed to charge? Not 1500. I'll charge 30,000 pay. That is 3,000 because I am going to use asset for full year. So again balance. So depreciation minus 3,000. If I subtract 3,000, 0, 0, 5, 8 minus 3, 5 and 2. This is my written down value. So by balance carried down. How much is the written down value? 25,500. Close the account with a total of 28,500. 28,500. So we are in third year. 1st April 2019. To balance brought down. How much is the balance brought down? 25,500. Again, 31st March 2020, the pandemic year. So by depreciation. How much is depreciation again? 3,000. So I'll charge 3,000 depreciation here also. If I subtract 5 minus 3, 2, 2. This is again my written down value. So by balance carried down 22,500. Close the account. They asked you for 3 years. We have done for 3 years. What we are supposed to do now? We have to give the balance in 4th year. 1st April 2020. To balance brought down 22,500. Again, I am explaining you all. Here we bought the asset in the month of October. That is 1st October. One more point, let me tell you here. Sometimes wantedly, instead of telling October 1st, they'll tell you 30th September. Okay, the last day of the month they'll tell. That last day of the month you have to convert into the next day of the month. Here, if they say for example 31st August, convert it into 1st September. Like that, confusions will, say the examiner may slightly try to confuse you. So, we bought on 1st October. For how much we bought? 25,000. And we paid 5,000. So, total is 30,000. You see in the textbook, they gave again 2 cash 25,000, 2 cash 5,000. No need. You can write directly 25,000 plus 5, 30,000. Okay. Then we are calculating depreciation. When we calculate, we got 3,000 per annum. But here, it so happened that we are using for 6 months. This particular calculation is very important. Proportionate we call. Okay. Don't just do the abrupt methods and get simply for marks purpose. Try to learn the concept. This all will be useful for your further studies. So, we are using for how many months? 6 months. Per annum means 12 months. So, for 12 months, it is 3,000. For 6 months, it is how much? Cross multiply. So, 6 into 3,000 divided by 12. If we simplify, we get 1,500. Let me say, for example, it is coming 3 months. So, what we'll do for 12 months, 3,000. For 3 months, how much? Like that, we'll calculate. Then, as usual, posting. Only in first year, we'll calculate 1,500. Second year onwards, we'll charge 3,000. We'll charge 3,000 as depreciation. Now, we'll see the next problem. In the first two problems, what we saw? In the first two problems, we saw there was only one asset. But in the third question, if you see what is happening, the third question, we are purchasing one more asset. Addition of asset we call. So, there will be 2 assets, 3 assets, 4 assets, number of assets. So, whenever there are more than one assets, you don't think to prepare different accounts. The same asset account, we are going to do the addition. When we bought the machine, we purchased on 2014 April 1st, right? For 10,000. One more machine when we bought after 2 years, that is in April 2016. So how many machines we have? 2 machines. 14 to 15 we had 1 machine. 15 to 16 also we had 1 machine. But in the year 2016 we bought one more machine. That is addition of machine. Okay, that we are going to do. And again they told to prepare account for how many years? 3 years. 3 years doesn't mean that you have to calculate for new machine also. The 3 years, it comes from the first machine only. Okay, so let us solve that third question now again. So, solution. This kind of problems are important. Subject wise, important. Again, as usual, first heading, machine account. Machine account. Again, drafting. 3 years they told, as it is 3 years will do. And down the workings. But here I am giving 2 columns for working. This is machine 1, machine 2. Okay, as it is account. Date, particulars, amount. Date, particulars, amount. Debit, credit. Date, particulars, amount. So this pattern of problems I have given in assignment also. So after the session, everyone has to work out. Unless you work out, you will not be able to cope up. So it is practice makes man perfect, right? So when we bought the asset, we bought the asset on 1st April 2014 to bank. Sir, I'll write cash, no problem. For how much we bought? We bought the machine for 10,000. So to bank 10,000. So I'm coming and writing here depreciation 10,000 into how much percent I gave here? What is the rate of percent? 10% again. So 10 by 100. If we cancel, we get 1000 per annum. Is there any like proportionate to be calculated here? No. Why? Because April to March, 1 year. So 31st March 2015 by depreciation. By depreciation. How much is the depreciation we charge? 10,000. I'll come to column 1 and write cost here. How much is the cost? 10,000. How much depreciation? 1,000. How much is the written down value then? 9,000. Subtraction we have to do. So by balance carried down. Generally students they don't write carried down, brought down. You have to write carried down and brought down. Lesser side carried down. So close the account with 10,000. First year is over. Now 1st April 2015 to balance brought down 9,000. We are closing the account 31st March 2000. So again by depreciation. For how much, sir? 1,000. Again, I'll charge 1,000. How much is the answer? 8,000. Written down, value is 8,000. Close the account. By balance carried down, 8,000. Close with 9,000. We have closed with 9,000. Now what happened? We came to 2016. Came to the year 2016 and we brought down machine number 1. On the same day, we purchased one more machine. So again, below this we'll write to bank. For avoiding confusion, you can write 2, Roman 2. Roman 2 denotes what? That you are buying one more machine. For how much we bought? Bought for 15,000. Come to working immediately and write depreciation and give machine number 2. 15,000 into 10%. Cancel the zeros. 1,500. So how many machines we have now? 2 machines we have. On 1,000, on 2, 1,500. So 2 depreciations will calculate. Okay. So 31st March 2017 by depreciation. Look on the blackboard how I'm writing now. 1 on machine 1. How much is on machine 1? 1,000. Then depreciation on machine 2. How much? 1,500. So adjacent opposite to 8,000 I'm writing 15,000 because this is new machine. So depreciation. Here how much? 1,000. Here how much? 1,500. Better to show separate. 9,000 and here 13,500. This is written down value. So close, balance the account. By balance carried down 1. How much is of 1? 9,000. How much is of 2? 13,500. Sir, I'll add up and write. That is your choice. No issues at all. You can even write with addition. That is, you can write how much? 22,500 also. Here you can write 2,500 also. Close the account. But showing separately is better. So 23,000. Here how much? 23,000. Bring down the balance. 4th year. 3 years are completed. Bring down the balance. 2 balance brought down. 1 and 2. 9,000. 13,500. Now you may have a doubt. Sir, why you are writing separately? Okay. In future, we may sell machine number 1 or machine number 2. That time, we will be able to know the exact value if you write separately. If not, what will happen? If you merge all the values, again the calculation will become complicated. Thereby, it is always good to maintain the separacy, that is separate account or separate amount for each individual asset. Again, let us see the solution for a while. Again, third question. Bought first machine for 10,000. Depreciation 1,000. 9,000 written down value. Brought down. Again charged 1,000. Brought down 8,000. When we came to third year, bought for 8,000. Sorry, we brought down the balance 8,000, and there was an addition to the asset worth 15,000. So for that 15,000 we calculated 1,500 depreciation, and here we charged two separate depreciations and we got two separate values. One is 9,000. Sorry, it's not 9,000. Extremely sorry. It is 7,000. 8,000 minus 1,000 is 7,000. Mistakes are the part of the life. Agree? Mistakes are the part of the life. So 13,500. Like this, we have to bring down the balance. Here also 7,000. So this is about the straight line method. Now, in this I am giving you the assignment. Okay, I am giving you the assignment. So let us see the assignment. What are there in the assignment? I have formulated few questions in the assignment that we have to focus. Say 3 problems we have solved in the class, right? So as a student, it is your responsibility also now to work out, because you have to practice. So here is a small worksheet prepared for you, keeping in mind the examination questions. For 2 marks, what you can expect? We can expect what do you mean by straight line method? The 2 marks question. In the sense you are asked to write the theory, straight line method. The same question they can twist also. Instead of asking straight line method, the examiner may say original cost method. Examiner may say fixed installment method. Answer will be same. What will be the answer? You all know. You have to again review your slide and see the answer. Then you see the 3 questions what I have formulated. First question I gave you again April, when 2,50,000 this is. Rate is 10%. Method is fixed installment method and 3 years. Hope you all will do it. Then second what I said, 30th September. 30th September is nothing but we'll convert to 1st October. For how much we bought? 17,000. How much we paid? 3,000. Same the 3 questions what I did for you all in the class, I am giving you as revision. Then next October, right? For how much? 20,000. Again one more we bought when? On 1st April 2010. So this is the assignment for you all for this particular session. Okay, hope you all will do this assignment and work out for yourself. So after giving you the assignment, I would like to conclude this particular model, straight line method, with a very beautiful saying, which is very common because I gave you the assignment, right? And what is the slogan here? The roots of education are bitter, but the fruits are sweet. So the assignment what I gave, it may be bitter for you. You may feel why I have to do, but the same question, if it comes in the exam, will get the fruits, and those fruits will be. So having said this, I'll wind up this session here, and in the next session I'm going to explain you the next method, that is diminishing balance method. Hope you all understood. Have a nice day, stay focused and stay blessed. God bless you all.
ఈ